How to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end, which is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you have a Chromebook that won't turn on, then it's best to head over to your keyboard. So the keyboard of the Chromebook looks like this. So if you try pressing the power button and it won't turn on, then you should do a hard reset of your Chromebook. To do that, you just need to click on this circle arrow button, and on the power button right here, you need to push them simultaneously at the same time, and on that way it will open your Chromebook and hard reset and hit. So from in there, you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to hard reset your Chromebook, and that should be able to fix your problem. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!